Hi there, welcome to this Moonstruck Knits video. My name is Natasha and today I want to share my lovely Asterie sweater with you. I adore this sweater for its cozy garter stitch base and the beautifully contrasting floral motif on the yoke, which reminds me of an intricate line drawing. The sweater is worked top down in the round. Most of the increases you'll need to shape the yoke are hidden in the floral motif itself, ensuring a polished finish. For those occasional rounds where you'll need to work increases within the garter stitch background, I've tested a few methods. The one I'm going to show you now provides, in my opinion, the cleanest, most invisible outcome. Since I did not find an official name for this increase, I refer to it as Invisible Garter Increase, or IGI in short, in the pattern. So for now, let's dive in and IGI. For garter stitching a round, you will alternate between knit and purl rounds. The invisible garter increase is worked on the knit rounds. Here I am at the beginning of a knit round and I will work the invisible garter increases 3 stitches apart. Knit the first 3 stitches and then it's time for our invisible garter increase. Insert your left hand needle from the top down on the wrong side into the first purl head beneath the last work stitch. Place the purl head on your left hand needle and knit it. You've just increased 1 stitch. Let's do that again. Knit 3. Insert the left hand needle on the wrong side into the purl head beneath the last work stitch. Place it on your needle and knit. Once more, knit 3, place the purl head on your needle and knit. And that is all there is to it. I will now speed up and finish this knit round without increasing. I'm at the beginning of the round again and it's time to switch to purling. I will purl past the increased stitches to show you the outcome. As you can see, the result is very clean with minimal disturbances of the garter stitch fabric. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Here's to happy knitting! And who knows, we might cross paths again for more creative, yarn-filled adventures. Bye now!